Happy New Year! Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. This is the New Year's vlog. This is your boy Manny, Audi King's D-Melo. And this year, for the Audi King family, I want to wish you guys a lot of positiveness. I want you guys to succeed in life, grind hard. 2020 is the year. I'm actually outside today at my house, as you can see at the humble abode. Got my wife a project car over the summer. We haven't started working on it yet. As you can see, it's right behind me right here. It's a 1994 Volkswagen Cabrio. I'm gonna do some motor work to this car. Got a lot of plans. My boy Bruno is gonna be doing a motor swap on it. We're gonna be vlogging the whole thing. This is gonna be her summer car, so she can get around the town. She could take the kids out, drop the top, look at the stars, whatever, enjoy the ride, you know what I mean? This was actually my nephew's car at one point, but he ended up blowing the transmission on it. So my wife said, hey honey, I love that car, how about you get it for me? So I bought it for her, and we're gonna do a crazy build to it. Let's take a look here. So it's a 1995, sorry, Volkswagen Cabrio. Has a little bit of rust over here. Got to replace the moldings, need a new mirror over there. But the car for the most part's in pretty good condition. I'm gonna swap out the rims. I'm gonna liquid wrap it at Timeless Motorsports in Newark. Gonna change out the front end. We're gonna put the Mark III headlights and fenders and bumper. So yeah. What do you guys think? Let's get a cold start going. Let's get a cold start going on this car right now. It's been a while since I actually turned it on. So I don't know if it's gonna turn on right now, but let's see what we get. Of this year. This one's actually a 2.0. I actually had a VR6 in my car. That's not the swap I'm doing in this car. Gonna do a crazy build to this. Crazy, but still, what's the word I'm looking for? Pretty safe for her. I don't want her hurting herself in the car, you know what I mean? But anyways, needless to say, today's gonna be a fun day. I'm gonna go check up on my S4 today. We're gonna go see how we're doing, where we're at. I just dropped the clutch off yesterday, so I'll see you guys when we get there. All right? It's your boy Manny, Audi Kings. Rah!
I outside of that church is the rabbit, the quiet. And see my new verse at your way while you're lying. In the middle of the church, I'm your way, no, I'm lying. I just gave them jail. Ain't do no crying, they put me through hell. Sharpen my iron, I did my push-ups and I wrote the line like Erda. From calling, I'm tired, I'm back in this bitch and I'm back on my man. They tell me be humble, I'm cocky as hell. Shout out my just the answer my call when I call the collectors. It got me through hell. Shout out that judge that denied me my bell. It made me smarter, it made me go harder. They locked me up, they sold my album up, but I did not give up cause I knew I would prevail. Came in the game, Philly as shit. Look at these rappers, they silly as shit. I don't know why they be guessing these suckers before, cause I am not feeling they shit. Different between me and most of these rappers, I'm talking about work that I really put in. Talking about pistols I put on my hip, and I'm talking about fires I really could win that I really didn't drove. Really was friends in my hood, and these bitches I really did hit. Really was chose. Came up from nothing, and now they like I ain't been made so quick. I'm in the back, and they feel like a sofa. I done seen bitches I'm fucking on up. In my new mansion, I feel like I'm such a brick on the table, ain't sniffing.
We made it to the shop, and when I pull up, I see all these beautiful B5s already here. One of the other car club members is here today. I actually came to the shop to come drop off my valve covers and my clutch that just came in, and to see how things are going and moving along. I'm here at Pereira's Auto. We're in Newark, New Jersey, on Titchener Street in the Ironbound. So if you need any work done, I mean any work done to any of your European cars, this is where to bring it. Talk to my nigga Bruno, talk to my boy Bruno. Link is in the description. Also follow him on Instagram. Also, link is also in the description. So if you guys remember, that's actually vlog number 2 I actually did on this Emolia B5 S4 that Bruno actually purchased and fixed up. Got a new fresh paint job and things like that. He actually just picked this one up. It's a 2001 also B5 S4. Has the Nogaro blue interior. Came with the brushed aluminum mirror caps. He's actually gonna flip this car, so he's getting it all fixed up, detailed. It's going out for detail soon, so this will be up for sale. It's a stage 1 simple tune, and got forged diverter valves, nothing crazy, stock bipipes, stock intake with a K&N filter, but very clean car. The car only has 140,000 miles on it. This is getting fixed too, so this will be up soon. Now my car, ooh, look how pretty. I can't wait, man. Real soon should be back up and running. So I brought the clutch over. I got the FX300 6-puck stage 3. So that's going in. Since the motor was out, I figured, you know what? Let's throw in a new clutch. Got my ceramic coated exhaust manifolds over there. Got some more ECS tuning parts there. Got some more parts right here. And I also brought my valve covers. What do you guys think? So it can match my calipers. Ooh, now we got a silver one pulling up. Another car club member here, Marco. Let me hear some.
Not now. She's sick, and that might be causing me fucking it up.
Oh no!
Yeah, check engine light off. No.
Check engine light means it's working, man. What do you mean?
I fuck around with that.
Yeah. Oh no. Got another 2001. Really fresh, low mileage. Also, car club member Marco. Link in the description. Follow him also. Look at these guys. Look at these guys.
That's the automatic one.
What are you guys doing?
What you got from me?
Yeah.
What are we doing? Oh, look. Watching the vlog. That's what I'm talking about. See, those are true supporters.
That's like the next step. And it's flashed already.
Flashed, all internals done. What year is this?
This is 15, right?
GTI. I'm telling you, these cars are nice, man. Heavy. That's crazy. A lot of big things coming for this car. Can't wait to get it done. Back on the road. Stay tuned. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, smash that subscribe button. While you're hitting that button, slide over, hit that bell, so every time I upload a video, it lets you know. I'm telling you guys, you're not gonna be disappointed. You know, look, B5 after B5 after B5 after B5. So stay tuned. It's your boy Manny. This is Audi Kings. Later.